Hello Aquarians, welcome to my page and thanks for joining. This is your current energy check-in. So I'll be taking one card as an overall energy and then clarify what that is. So let's see what's the overall message for Aquarians. The King of Cups. Okay, so you have a lot of emotions for someone or some situation or some person, and yes, you know how to control them. You are very emotionally mature, but you really have a lot to give and lot to offer here, emotionally and in full capacity, in every way, not only emotionally but yes, in every way. We'll see what that is. Why is this King of Cups here for Aquarius? Why is this King of Cups here for Aquarius? So for the King of Cups, we have the Seven of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, oh, the Nine of Swords, the Six of Cups, the Magician. This Death and Rebirth card is coming quite a lot. Three of Pentacles and the Lovers. Okay. So Aquarians, with the Seven of Pentacles, you are giving time to nurture this situation, or maybe you've already invested in this situation. You have really worked hard and you are just waiting for the results or waiting for the fruits of your labor or fruits of your investment. So you've really invested in this situation or in this relationship and you're just waiting it to blossom, giving it the time, okay, and giving it, and even reviewing and contemplating as to what else can be done if anything else is supposed to be done. It's something like that. So it is a sort of a time which not exactly a pause, but yes, just thinking about that. Yes, it's the time to reap the rewards and let's see what's going to happen. It's something like you've done your bit and you're waiting for the result, or maybe waiting for the other person to give their yes or a no type of a thing, if that is a relationship. Okay, and what I feel here is that you are really wanting to get back to someone. As far as this is happy times back again, some sort of nostalgia, reconciliation, and you are wanting a new beginning over here, and you have done your bit. You have really worked hard and invested in this relationship or in this situation, whatever this is for you. But the thing is, see, what I feel here is you want a new beginning with someone here whom you know from the past, whom you really know, or you want to reconcile with. You want to have a new beginning over here with this person. But the thing is that even after doing your bit, you really are not sure, perhaps. Okay, and that is what is making you very stressful. Okay, so there are periods of stress and anxiety, as because you really don't know the results. Because will your efforts be rewarded? Will your input and investment be rewarded? It's something like that. Okay, that's what I feel. So you are just waiting for the results to come in and you really don't know what the result will be, and that is what the anxiety is all about. And you are very fearful in this situation and very anxious and stressed out. Okay, but you are getting your happy times back, and that is what you are manifesting here. You really want to go back to this person. I am saying again person for most of you, because we have the Lovers card at the end. So it is a passionate relationship over here. Maybe you have some options and choices if it's something else, and because Lovers can be some options or a decision which you need to make between two things or two situations. But whatever it is, you want happiness back. It's something like that, and that is what you are manifesting. And since you are manifesting it, you know you have put in the work. Okay, you've put in your effort, you've put in the work which was required, or whatever was supposed to be done, you've done it, and you're just waiting for the results, and you're trying hard that this should happen. You really want it to happen. Okay, and then we have you're really manifesting this change basically, and that change is happening. And what I feel here is with the Three of Pentacles and the Lovers, somehow what I feel here is, if this change has to come, if you are supposed to be with this person back again, or if this reconciliation has to occur, which I feel will occur, okay, something is going to end and there is a new beginning. But what I feel is there has to be an intervention of somebody else here. Somebody else has to help you, maybe some mediator, some friend, somebody has to mediate this reunion. That's what I'm getting. Okay, so you are being emotionally controlled. Maybe you are not showing this anxiety and stress to anyone. Okay, that is what you are dealing with. But still, you are doing your work, being very, very emotionally mature and stable, working hard on this reconciliation, putting your effort. You want this relationship back in your life, or you want this situation back in your life, because you know this is your happiness, and you are manifesting that change. But what I feel here is that somebody else, your family member, maybe your friend, or somebody has to help you out in this reunion. Somebody will intervene, so you'll get some support system, or maybe you need to collaborate with someone. See, you need to take some help. That's what I'm getting. Somebody else has to help you out to achieve this union or reunion, whatever it is for you. So Aquarians, I just hope it helps, and thank you for being there. Bye.